Okay, what we have here is a servo connected to the Gertboard and a Raspberry Pi, and we also have this linked via serial communications, so that when I press the A key on Minicom, it gets the program to move the servo and fire, let's say, Nerfgun. I've sort of attached to this. I've attached here via duct tape and fuse wire, so it's not massively well engineered, but again, it's just to adapt one of the test programs and make it seem a bit more interesting here. Okay, so what we'll do here is I press the A key on my computer, and again I have to be quite quick. And I've fired it off, and so let's show you how this is sort of wired up here. Again, as this is the Gertboard, we have to use the buffers. Okay, and what we have is the 9-volt power supply, and we have the cables running from the servo, and the orange wire is the control lead. So the orange wire will get the sort of the input from the Gertboard into the servo to tell it what to do. Okay, so if you examine the sweep sketch on the Arduino IDE, that's what I've used to procode this, it'll tell you to go to pin 9. So rather than pin 9, we use the buffers. So what we do is we have pin 9 connected to buffer 1. And to make buffer 1 an output, we've got jumpers on the output. And you'll see the orange lead from the Gertboard goes across. We've got to connect that blue cable now, and that goes to buffer 1, which is connected now via the buffer to pin 9. Again, we've got it grounded. It doesn't even matter where you ground, so we've got the 9-volt power supply grounded here, to ground here. And we also have the ground from the servo to green to the ground on PB1. Now, to enable serial communication, we have GP11 and GP12. And I will sort of mention all this on the website. But what this does is it gives you serial communication from the Raspberry Pi to the AT Mega microcontroller here. So you can fire this. Okay, so I'll just go across. And what we have here, that's the Minicom. And this is the program here. This is the sketch of the Arduino IDE. Again, I'm not sure I clearly see this. Get it close. You see we set up. Look up. So the servo. Here we go. It's a bit clear here. Right, so again, it's a mix of the two previous sketches, the servo and the sweep sketch. You set up your servo object, and you store the input from the serial communication. You initialize serial input, baud rate, and the servo object. Check if it's enabled. Read the data in. Right, character A is 97. So if we do that, we allow the sweep sketch to run. So that's just some output that comes by a Minicom once it's set up. And once enabled, do this for 100 degrees, and it fires. And that's really all. It's it now. It's quite straightforward to wire up. It's a very cheap Nerfgun. So, and that would be and that's sort of the end of my, and there's, again, I'm going to shut off the wiring. So that's my servo serial communications demo.